Magical Children's Book AI has just been released, and if you're a creator, parent, teacher, or anyone looking to bring a touch of magic into storytelling, this AI software could be a game changer. Stick around as I'll go through 7 crucial things you need to know about it so you can decide if it's the right fit for you. Right off the bat, the biggest selling point of the Magical Children's Book AI is how easy it is to use. Gone are the days of struggling to come up with storylines, characters, and plot twists. This tool uses cutting-edge AI technology to help you create fully fleshed out, engaging children's books in a matter of minutes. Whether you're an experienced writer or someone with no background in storytelling, this software simplifies everything for you. One of the key features is its ability to customize the story's tone and complexity. For younger kids, the AI can generate simpler, more playful narratives with easy-to-understand vocabulary. But for older children, you can request more complex themes and slightly more challenging language, making this tool incredibly versatile. It adapts to your target audience, so you're not stuck with one-size-fits-all content. Another major highlight is the art generation. You can get fully illustrated books thanks to the AI's image generation capabilities. It creates vibrant, child-friendly illustrations that fit the story's theme, which saves you the cost and time of hiring an illustrator. Whether it's a character walking through a forest or a dragon flying across the sky, the art feels seamlessly integrated with the narrative. If you're thinking about publishing your book, the software has that covered too. It offers formatting tools, making it easy to output your story in a polished, professional format for digital or print. This integration streamlines the process from concept to publication, which is ideal if you want to turn your story into a tangible product or share it online with ease. The AI also uses data to continuously improve. It learns from feedback and trends in children's book literature, meaning it keeps up with what's popular and what resonates with young readers. That means you're getting a product that's not only creatively driven but also informed by market insights. So you're not just guessing what might work, you're tapping into a constantly evolving database of storytelling techniques and themes. Now, you might be wondering about cost. Fortunately, Magical Children's Book AI offers a free trial, and you can try it for yourself from the first link in the description. This lets you test it out without any commitments and see firsthand if it works for you before you decide to invest. But what's even more exciting is that the software isn't just for creating one book. You can use it to brainstorm new ideas, generate sequels, or create entirely new characters for a series. The possibilities are almost endless. If you plan to publish multiple books, this tool can become your go-to creative assistant. Lastly, while this AI software is fantastic for creating books, it doesn't replace the magic of human touch. It's designed to assist and enhance your creativity, not to replace it. If you're someone who loves to inject personal meaning and unique flair into your stories, this tool complements your process rather than stifling it. In summary, Magical Children's Book AI is an incredibly powerful tool for anyone looking to create high-quality children's books quickly and affordably. The features I've covered today are just the start. To get started, check out the free trial from the first link below and explore the full range of capabilities this software offers. After trying thousands of AI software, I've listed my top recommendations in the description, ones that you can try for free. Don't miss out and dive into the world of AI-driven creativity today.